What's up, guys? It's Double Nicks, and welcome to my stock review. Now, in today's episode, we are actually going to be taking a look at Stronghold Digital Mining Inc. Ticker symbol SDIG, Sierra Delta India Golf. Now, this stock is actually a crypto and reverse split play. Now, before we begin, if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, set the notifications on so you don't miss any episodes at all, and like as well as share to all your friends across the internets over there. And also, let me begin by saying we are not stock professionals. We're not financial advisors. We are not stock advisors. This is just a show. We are not giving stock or financial advice at all. Like I said, this is just a show. Da 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 da. Hey! Always do your own due diligence. Now, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the links are in the description down below, so be sure to check that out. We've actually picked up a lot of bangers a lot of times, and actually this past week, for example, we called out MGRM, ticker symbol, MGRM, Mike Golf Romeo Mike, at $10.15, and in a matter of 2 days, it hit a high of $49 per share, which means that's approximately a 400% run. And on Friday, May 19th, 2023, we actually also called MNK, Mike November Kilo, which started out at $1.30 per share and ran to a high of $6.69 per share, which made it another 400% runner. I mean, I guess we're just built different, ladies and gentlemen. The early bird gets the cash. Forget the worm. Who needs the worm? Worm don't make you money. The cash do. Anyways, we've also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 360 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, as well as how we determine our entry and exit points on trades, how to read candlestick patterns, how to read key levels, how to use critical indicators, and much, much more. Now, of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading these stocks, in trading stocks in general, if you join our membership site or not. But we share with you how we trade and what's been working for us. We're not professionals at all. This is just a show. So, let's get right into it with Stronghold Digital Mining Inc. Ticker symbol SDIG, which is actually based in New York, New York. New York, concrete jungle where dreams are made of. Yeah, yep, that one. It's a publicly traded NASDAQ crypto asset mining company with a $30.88 million market cap and approximately 168 employees. SDIG is a crypto asset mining company that focuses on mining Bitcoin in the United States. But, it's crypto, so, it probably mines other stuff too. But mainly Bitcoin. It also operates coal refuse power generation facilities, and the company was incorporated in 2021 and, as I said before, is headquartered in New York. New York. All right. Yeah. Let's stop before I get copywritten. Whoa. Anyway, now, let's take a look at its most recent news. So on May 16th of 2023, the company announced a 1-to-10 reverse split with a new float of approximately 3 million shares. According to the company, the reverse split is intended to increase the per share market price of the company's Class A common stock and bring the company into compliance with the minimum bid price requirement for maintaining its listing on the NASDAQ exchange, seeing as the closing bid price of the company's Class A common stock must be at least $1. All right, and it must be $1 per share for a minimum of 10 consecutive business days on May 30th of 2023. Now, on January 9th of 2023, the company's stockholders took action by written consent to authorize the company's board of directors the board, to effect a reverse stock split with a ratio in a range from and including 1 or 2, 1 for 2, and up to 1 for 10. Now, this was back in January 9th. Obviously, revisions were made, and on May 12th of 2023, months later, the board approved a 1 for 10 reverse split ratio. And the company filed the certificate of amendment for the company's second amended restated certificate of incorporation, also known as a charter amendment, to basically effect the reverse split at the effective time. You could actually find this on their 8K filings. Following the reverse split, the par value of the common stock, according to them, will remain unchanged at 1/1000th of a cent per share, and the charter amendment will not change the authorized number of shares of common stock or preferred stock, and there are no fractional shares that will be issued in connection with the reverse split. So stockholders who would otherwise be entitled to receive a fractional share of common stock will instead receive a whole share of the applicable common stock, which means you get more than what you originally had. If you only had, if you were only entitled to receive something fractional. Now, on the recording of this video, as of today, which is May 20th of 2023, on Saturday, the stock is now trading at $6.45 per share, which is very, very interesting. And as we said earlier, ladies and gentlemen, if you want access to our private Discord, you can get our pre-market picks early, and the link is in the description down below. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We're built different. The early bird gets the cash, forget the worm. And by the way, ladies and gentlemen, we've also included a link to our membership website program, which includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 360 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we determine our entry and exit points on trades, candlestick patterns, key levels, critical indicators, so much more. There's a lot of stuff you could learn there from us. Again, there are no guarantees that you will succeed in trading these stocks if you join the membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade, what works for us. This is not stock advice. Again, we're not stock professionals, not stock advisors, financial advisors. We are none of those things. This is just a show. Now, in conclusion, Stronghold Mining Inc., ticker symbol SDIG, is a publicly traded NASDAQ company that is in the capital markets industry doing crypto asset mining. It has recently made a reverse split, a 1-to-10 reverse split, and SDIG is a company we will be watching with the right, and we will be watching that, and with the right increase in volume, we believe it could be conducive for momentum parabolic day trading. All right, but again, that's what we think. These are our opinions. Now, please note, ladies and gentlemen, we are still in the bearish market, of course, so we would need to see continued volume before we actually day trade this stock. Again, this is not advice. We're not pros. This is just my opinion. I personally am going to be having SDIG on my watch list. You guys can do your own due diligence. You, right there, you do your own due diligence. And that's it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as ring that bell icon to stay notified when new videos are uploaded. And as always, it's Devil Nicks. I love you guys. I love you. And I'm out. Peace. Bye-bye.